If you want to edit slow motion videos on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the gallery. Now you want to open your slow motion video, and then once you open it, you need to tap on this icon over here that we have, like these circles. So we're gonna go over here, grant the access to all of these permissions, and there we go. Now we can edit our slow motion video quite easily. We can find two timelines. So here the bigger one is used to choose the frame of the video, and the timeline above is the section where we have the slow motion effect applied. You can grab by these lines that we have in here. So for example, extend the slow motion effect so that it is going to last the whole video, or you can just adjust it and position it in only the selected part of the video, just like that. Now it seems that unfortunately we cannot add more than one slow motion effect or one part of the slow motion, or one section. But once you are done, just tap on this check in the bottom right corner in order to save your edited slow motion video. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.